How to log out from your PayPal account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your PayPal account. Now if you have logged into your PayPal account in any of the web browser or any of your devices, then here's how you can log out from your PayPal account. First of all, open the browser where you are being logged in. Here I have launched my browser. In the search bar of the browser, type in paypal.com. This is the official URL of PayPal. Once you have entered it, press an enter button to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of PayPal, and here if you are logged into your account, you will be able to see your account here. Now once you reach to this page, you will be able to locate Logout option just next to the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can simply click on this option and then you will be logged out from your PayPal account on this device or the browser. And in the future, if you want to log in back to your account, you may simply click on this login button right here, and then you will need to enter your login credentials in order to log in to your PayPal account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your PayPal account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.